Ocean Cards and Collectibles here with an NBA Hoops Winter 2022-23 basketball card box. This is one of the blaster boxes available at most of your major retailers. Pick this one up at Walmart. Also there with the regular blaster boxers, but thought I'd go ahead and get a winter one for no other reason than why not. See if we can open this box without too much of a problem. This one's given me more trouble than usual. This is why I think everyone uses razor blades to open boxes on these channels. I guess our star rookie there is Paolo Banchero. He's been doing pretty well for the Orlando Magic. See him there on the cover. Also from this angle. In here, got a bunch of randomly inserted cards. A couple different parallels, jerseys, sky view, frequent flyers, also some autographs in here, so quite a bit. Find one autograph or memorabilia card on average per box, hopefully some sort of autograph. Open this up here, 90 cards inside this box, 15 cards, 6 packs. Here is our box in Ocean Cards and Collectibles. Got all of our packs there. There are, in fact, 6 of them. We'll see what we get. Hopefully, something worth the $25 or so these boxes are in Walmart. Jalen Johnson. Giannis, always take a Giannis. Love the sort of snow background on the back of these winter cards. Jaylen Brown. Grant. A little tough to read these Bogdanovich names, but a good looking card. Beasley. McDermott. Kuzma. Nice LeBron James. Always take a LeBron James base card. The backs on these cards, again, look pretty similar. Josh Hart. Mark Williams, rookie. Chet Holmgren. Johnny Davis, rookie. There's look pretty standard back. Patrick Baldwin Jr. arriving now. And a purple parallel, Kenneth Lofton. So not quite sure what the story is on purple parallels. Let me look that up real quick and see if I can find. Purple is, or I guess Purple Winter is a parallel. Not quite sure what the odds are on those, but we'll take a rookie purple parallel. Of course, would also like a nice little color match for LeBron James with the Lakers. Opening up our next pack. Precious from the Toronto Raptors. Duncan Robinson. Aaron Nesmith. Cameron Thomas. Kevin Porter, Keldon Johnson, Jalen Suggs, Cameron Johnson, Darius Baisley, Jaden Ivey, I know another good rookie this year, been doing pretty well up there in Detroit, Weissman, Josh Minott, Bradley Beal, Pure Players, Luka. We'll always take a Luka insert. Check out those backs right there. And then Oklahoma City, Dieng for the Thunder. Check that one out. Rookie Greetings. Certainly a lot of rookies in this product. See if any of the things I got here are actually worth anything. That, of course, is probably a debatable proposition. Okoro, Quickly, Capella, Banton, Bertans, Powell, Clark, Russell, Primo, rookie, Jabari Walker, Steph Curry, Isaiah Mobley rookie, Vince Carter, kind of like the look of that card. Classic Hoops design. Donovan Mitchell, frequent flyers. And our signature, Robin Lopez. Not too bad, I suppose, but on sticker autograph. But we'll definitely take that. Unfortunately, I don't seem to have any soft sleeves or penny sleeves in front of me, so we'll be sure to sleeve that up a little bit later. Not too bad, I suppose. I think there are probably better autographs to pull, but Robin Lopez is certainly all right. Jason Tatum, Kevin Durant, Jared Allen, Burks, Herter, Bradley Beal, Jay Crowder, Highland, Murray, Jaden Hardy rookie, Conley, Ty Washington. Ty Washington's pretty hot rookie out of the set, so we'll take that. Keon Johnson. Arriving now, Jaden Ivey. And a Jason Tatum Skyview. So on the whole, I guess not doing too bad. Nothing really sticking out here as being a fantastic pull. But Sycam, Kyle Lowry, Chris Duarte, Griffin, Harris, Aiden, Kleber, Mann, rookie, Beauchamp, Jason Tatum, got a few Tatum inserts in here, LaRavia, rookie, Damon Lillard, Agbaji, rookie, Apollo Banchero, always take a good rookie insert, and then a Skyview, Devin Booker. Pretty good looking card. This Skyview, of course, is some sort of chrome parallel. We've got the regular Skyview and then with a little extra on it. Not serial numbered or anything, but still different than the regular Skyview. So if you're a Devin Booker fan, that one will be going up on eBay eventually. Last but certainly not least, last pack of the box. And one thing we've seen here, there's a Miles McBride. I always appreciate Deuce. Is pretty good coalition here. Not too many doubles coming out, so for you set collectors, maybe that's attractive. Tyrese Halliburton, Kyrie Irving, Zaire Williams, Karl Anthony Towns, Walker, Ross. Certainly getting some of the big names in the base set. Desmond Bane. Would be nice if we could have pulled a Desmond Bane rookie from the year before, I believe. And there's another Banchero. So hit up a couple of those rookies. Sochin? Will kill me in the comments, no doubt, for not knowing how to pronounce all these basketball players' names. Keegan Murray. Arriving now, Braun. And purple, Matisse. So again, these purple parallels aren't numbered, but the purple winter parallels are exclusive to the winter product. So not too bad. Managed to pull one autograph, and would prefer that to a winter sweater. Non-base cards are included approximately one in every pack. I think we clearly got that. Base Purple Winter Impulse, Base Rookies Purple Winter Impulse, Base Hoops Tribute Purple Winter Impulse, Hot Signature Rookies Green, Rookie Ink Green, Great Significance Rise and Shine Memorabilia Winter, Rookie Remembrance Winter, Rookie Sweaters Arriving Now Winter Hollow, Frequent Flyers Winter Hollow, Pure Players Winter Hollow, Skyview Winter Hollow, Rookie Greens Winter Hollow. On the whole, a lot of inserts. Got a couple cards of our guy here on the box, so we'll take that. And again, here, I guess, is what the hollow looks like, as opposed to the regular. A couple of those purple dupes we'll take, and the Robin Lopez Great Significance. Pretty simple signature. Robin Lopez is a long name to be written with only 3 lines. So thanks, everybody. A good 90 cards from NBA Hoops. Probably didn't make too much money on that box, but nonetheless, a good, fun product to open. And since the weather's getting hotter almost everywhere in the country, a good reminder that basketball season is still going, and that there was a winter that many of us were experiencing, and that was a lot more appreciated than the summer that many of us will be staring down all too shortly. So thanks, everybody. Again, Ocean Cards and Collectibles. Thank you for watching, and we certainly appreciate it. Like and subscribe below.